Here we are, had the car back a couple days. What is it, July 3rd?
Yes.
At what time is it? It's 10:16 at night, Uniontown Walmart. Just got in it and a no start, flashing. Key is nothing. We'll hit the button to kill it. Seat goes back. Everything in place. Foot on the brake. Push the button. No start. Full access power, passenger door alarm. 10:17. Just flashing. There's the key in my hand. Hit it to deactivate it. Seat's going back. Foot firmly on the brake. Can't push it any harder. Remote start. Or push button start. Nothing again. Hit the button. Wheel goes up. Seat goes back. Again. ST key in my hand. Foot is firmly on the brake. No start.